Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are learning how to make Southern Rotel dip. We have Tostitos Chips, Velveeta Cheese, ground beef, turkey sausage, garlic powder, onion powder, seasoned salt, black pepper, cream cheese, chives, Rotel, diced tomatoes, taco seasoning, and 2 peppers. All of the ingredients used in this video will be linked in the description box. So what we're doing right now is cutting the cream cheese in half. We're only going to use half of it, and we're going to cut it into little cubes. And we're going to set that to the side. And now we're just dicing our peppers. This is optional. You don't have to include this in your dip, but this is just to add a little spiciness. We are cutting our Velveeta cheese into small cubes. And now we are adding our Rotel diced tomatoes. So we have our peppers, our Rotel diced tomatoes, Velveeta cheese, and cream cheese. And we're adding our ground beef and our turkey sausage to the pot. And we're just going to add our seasonings. And we're just blending our ground beef and our turkey sausage together with all the seasonings. And right now we're just adding our Rotel diced tomatoes, Velveeta cheese, and cream cheese to our slow cooker. We have our slow cooker setting on high. And right now we're just browning our meat, our turkey sausage, and our ground beef. Ground beef needs to be cooked, crumbled, and drained before adding to the slow cooker. And now we are adding our ground beef and turkey sausage to our crock pot. With the slow cooker on high, we allowed everything to cook for about an hour or an hour and a half. And this is our outcome. And we're just going to get some of those Tostitos chips and dive in. And we have our peppers as toppings. And we also added some chives as toppings. Thanks so much for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video.